Hello students, welcome to the second video of class 8 biology. Yesterday we have studied about crops and different types of crops. Today we are going to study about some agricultural practices. Already we have studied what is crop and what are the different types of crop. Now how we can cultivate these crops in a proper way. For that we are using or some activities are to be performed, and that activities or that task is known as the agricultural activities. There are mainly 7 agricultural activities are there, or we call it as basic agricultural practices. Number 1 is preparation of soil. Number 2, sowing of seeds. 3, adding manure and fertilizers. 4th, irrigation. 5th, protection from weeds. And 6th, harvesting. And 7th is storage. Today we will study about in detail about the preparation of the soil. Without soil we cannot grow crops. All of you know that, is it? Soil is the medium to grow the crops. So what should be done? So before sowing the seeds, the soil should be turned and loosened. So that, what is the advantage of turning and loosening of the soil? So it allows the roots to penetrate deeply into the soil, so that these roots can breathe easily, even though they deeply penetrate into the soil, or when they are under the soil also they can easily breathe. That is why we are turning and loosening the soil. That is one advantage of turning and loosening the soil. Second advantage is it helps in the growth of the microbes and earthworms. Earthworms, all of you know that. We all always saying that earthworm is the farmer's friend. Why? Because earthworm helps to loosen the soil, and also it increases the humus of the soil by their droppings. So earthworms and microorganisms are helpful for the farmers for loosening the soil. Then third advantage of turning and loosening the soil is it brings the nutrients to the top of the soil, so that the roots can easily absorb the nutrients. Okay, so these are the advantages of turning and loosening of the soil. So once again I will say, turning and loosening of the soil allows the roots to penetrate deep into the soil, and second one is it helps in the growth of the microorganisms and earthworm, and it brings the nutrients to the top of the soil. Then this process, the process of turning and loosening of the soil is called plowing, or we say that tilling. So how this tilling is done? It is done by some tools are there. And also we know that when we loosen the soil, there are some soils will be makes crumbs over there, so that these crumbs should be break. That process is known as leveling. Leveling is done by a leveler. So the field should be leveled before sowing, so that every soil will be or field will be in a level, so that it is to get better yield, and for the sowing purpose and for the irrigation purposes we have to level the soil and break the soil finely. So these all things are done by some tools are there, and that tools are called agricultural implements. So from your book I will show the pictures of that agricultural implements. Okay. So number 1, that is the plow. Plow is used to loosen and turn the soil. It is also used to remove the weeds also. Okay, so this is a traditional picture of a traditional plough. The parts of the plough are a wooden handle is there, and a plough share is there, and a plough shaft is there. So these are attached with the bulls, and the farmers are using it, and with the help of these ploughs they can loosen the soil. Another implement is hoe. Hoe is also used to remove weeds and loosening the soil. Okay, the broad, strong and bent iron plate is fixed to its one of the long wooden ends. It acts like a blade. It is also pulled by bulls. And these two implements are used for the plowing and tilling. Then leveling. Leveling is done by a leveler. Leveler is a wooden plank or an iron plank which is used for leveling the field before sowing the seeds, so that it is also driven by animals or a tractor. Then nowadays modern cultivation, modern farming, so that is done by the tractors, and the tractors are driven by the cultivators. So cultivators are used nowadays to cultivate the or leveling and loosening the soil. So it saves labor and time. Now I think all of you understood the first agricultural practice, that is preparation of the soil. These all are the things. Now we studied that turning and loosening of the soil, and also the how it is done with the different agricultural implements. Okay, that's for today. I hope that all of you understood it. And now the notes and the question answers I will upload in the parent portal under the question paper, and then you can write it from there. Now thank you.